to go behind that defence. One good ball and they're in.
Ajax go 2 up and into a position of real strength. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! And that interception was most necessary.
That was well played, well stopped.
Cristiano Ronaldo! And we have our very first corner. Costa Curta pings it across, and the shot! Knocks it into space. It's 𝗥𝗏𝗧. Oh, perfectly measured that. Shapes to shoot! And that interception was most necessary.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Crosses it and climbs up!
That was well played, well stopped.
That has not gone well. Lovely pass, but can he get there? And here's Dembele. And here it's Cristiano Ronaldo! Well, that had the makings of something quite promising, but it's fizzled out into nothing. Cristiano Ronaldo touches it back. Well, Cristiano Ronaldo!
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Well, see, saw that coming.
He read that really well and stopped it.
Pelé, a header!